Welcome students. We will start our topics. Measurement in the foundation of all experimental science and technology. In this context, students, the result of every measurement by any measuring instrument contains some uncertainty. This uncertainty is called error. Students, we have to measure the weight. Consider generally at a grocery shop, when you have shopping, the weighing instruments, there is some faults in measuring, and this false uncertainty is called error. Students, every measurement क्वांटिटी, हर मेजरमेंट क्वांटिटी की मेजर वैल्यू में भी एरर होता है. स्टूडेंट्स, नाउ वी हैव टू इंट्रोड्यूस विथ एक्यूरेसी. व्हाट इज एक्यूरेसी? यथार्थता. व्हाट इज एक्यूरेसी? स्टूडेंट्स, यथार्थ, एक्यूरेसी, इट मीन्स विथ द हेल्प ऑफ एनी इंस्ट्रूमेंट, किसी भी इंस्ट्रूमेंट की सहायता से किसी मेजरमेंट को, किसी भी फिजिकल क्वांटिटी को कितनी एक्यूरेसी से मेजर किया जा सकता है, दैट्स इज नोन एज एक्यूरेसी. Accuracy, it is measurement have to close the measure measured value is to the true value. Is to the true value of quantity. Now students, next, precision. Precision tells us what the resolution or limit the quantity is measured. Example, students, we have to take an example. Length of any length, measure of length. Some length, just students consider 3.678 centimeter. Consider any length, students. Using measuring in instrument, using measuring in instrument that is of resolution that is 0.1 centimeter. Next, the measuring value is found students 3.5 centimeter to be 3 point. Let's subtract 3.5 centimeter. While another experiment using measuring value device value device of greater resolution that is, say, we can say students, say 0.01 centimeter cm. Students, the first measurement has more accuracy. You can see, students, in measuring physical quantity, different physical quantity, there are many kinds of errors arises. Now we have to introduce the kinds of error. Introduce with the kinds of error. What kinds of error, students? Number one, instrumental यांत्रिक त्रुटि, instrumental error. Second one, imperfection in experimental technique. Next, personal error. Students, fourth, random errors. Random error. And list count error. List count students. Now, absolute error. Next, kinds of error. absolute error, absolute error. Second one, relative error, next one, percentage error. That's what is the definition of absolute error? The magnitude of the difference between the individual measurement and the true value of the quantity is called the absolute error of the measurement. This is denoted by mod of delta A. Students, consider different physical quantity. Consider quantities are A1, A2, A3, An, and arithmetic mean, its arithmetic mean, that is equal to students A1 plus A2 plus A3 plus dot till plus An upon n, and this is students written as A mean equal to summation I equal to 1 to n ai upon n. Students, reflex error. Now just we have to check reflex error. It is ratio of mean of absolute error. Here reflex error. It is the ratio. It is the ratio of mean absolute error. It is the ratio of the mean absolute error to mean value, to the value, a mean of quantity, a mean of quantity measured. Students, that is reflex relative error. That is equal to delta A mean upon A mean. When relative error is expressed in percentage, when relative error expressed in percentage that is called percentage error, and percentage error is represent just students, that's percentage error is equal to percentage error, that is equal to delta A mean upon A mean into 100, that is formula we have to calculate percentage error. Now students, we have to come dimension of physical quantity. Definition: dimension of physical dimension of physical quantity let us just define, students. What is the definition? Dimension of physical quantity dimension of physical quantity are the powers to which the base quantity are raised to represent the quantity. Represent the definitely students, dimension of physical quantity की डायमेंशन और पावर, ये घात होती है, पावर होती है, विच इज रेज्ड, जो पावर लगाई जाती है फंडामेंटल क्वांटिटी पर, मूल राशियों पर, फंडामेंटल क्वांटिटी पर. फॉर एग्जांपल स्टूडेंट्स, लेट्स स्टूडेंट्स a quantity area that is equal to length into breadth, L into B. It means dimension of area Students, dimension of length L and dimension of this is also L, that written in capital bracket, big bracket, that is L square. This is power, and this power is raised on fundamental unit length. Now that is more clear with some other quantities dimension. Just volume, dimension of V. V volume, that is equal to L into V into H, length into breadth into height, that's dimension L, that is V, that is also L, that is also height in measure into L, and this, students, needs L cube, and this power L cube on the fundamental units length. Next, students, density. Density equal to mass upon volume. Dimension of D, dime of short D. Density, dimension of mass, that is capital M, fundamental unit capital M, and volume, that is volume, dime of V L cube. That's, students, M L to the power minus 3. Now, students, we are continue dimension of velocity, displacement, delta S upon T. This means that is displacement L and time, that is capital T, and this will be T L T to the power minus 1, dimension of velocity, and similarly dimension acceleration. Acceleration A, rate of change of velocity. Delta V upon delta T, and dimension of V Lt to the power minus 1. Already Lt to the power, we have already noticed Lt to the power minus 1. That's, students, and dimension of T, that is T capital T, time. This will be T, that is Lt to the power minus 1 minus 1 minus 2. Lt, dimension of acceleration, dime of acceleration, dimension of, shortly dimension of acceleration A, that is equal to Lt to the power minus 2. Force, dime of force, you can calculate F equal to, with the formula F equal to m into A. Students, that is equal to m mass, capital M, and acceleration, this will be Lt to the power minus 2. Collect in the same bracket, that is m Lt to the power minus 2. Students, we have to taken out different physical quantities dimension. Now, what are the uses of dimension analysis and its application? Dimensional analysis, dimensional analysis and its application. Definitely students, dimensional analysis usage, its application. Number one, what are the application? Number one, check the dimensional consistency of equation. Checking the dimensional consistency of equation. स्टूडेंट्स, किसी भी इक्वेशन की डायमेंशनल कंसिस्टेंसी चेक की जा सकती है. दैट्स फर्स्ट एप्लीकेशन ऑफ डायमेंशनल एनालिसिस. नाउ with the one example, check question number 1. Check, checking the dimensional consistency of equation half mv square, that is equal to mgh. Solution, students, on writing dimension of each quantity each physical quantity, both side. Now students, let's start. That is numerical value, that's dimensionless quantity half, but m capital M dimension, and v already you have to find out, students, earlier. V velocity, that is Lt per Lt to the power minus 1, and that's the square that gets 2 here, and that's m, that is capital M. G, gravitational acceleration and gravitational acceleration has same dimension, Lt to the power minus 2, and h standard height it means L. Now students, this one will be m L square t to the power minus 2 multiply with 2, that is equal to m L square t to the power minus 2. Students, you can see here the dimension of each physical quantity of the above equation, both sides are same. So we can say the given equation is true, correct. That's students, we will continue in next video. Deducing relation among the physical quantity, विभिन्न भौतिक राशियों में हम संबंध कैसे डायमेंशन के एप्लीकेशन से निकालेंगे. We will meet in next class. Okay.